The internet is buzzing over a nightclub video that's racked up more than 134,000 views on X, showing an AKA lookalike channeling the late Super Mega on stage. The young man hyped up the crowd, performed AKA's hit All Eyes on Me, and instantly set social media on fire. DJ Speedster wasn't feeling it, dragging the performance with a savage comment about high school attention seekers. Another critic added salt, writing, "He'll never be AKA no matter how much he looks like him." But not everyone came with shade. Music exec Notabaloy jumped to his defense, claiming the guy's been a karaoke king for years and even went to school with his little brother. Nothing weird about it, Nota shot back, shutting down the haters. Meanwhile, AKA's legacy continues to loom large over Mzansi. Just days ago, fans flooded timelines with tributes for what would have been his 38th birthday, using hashtag AKA turns 38 to share memories, playlists, and emotional stories about how his music carried them through tough times. Keenan aka Forbes, who was gunned down outside Wish restaurant in Durban at just 35, remains a cultural force. And now, with his lookalike sparking debates, it's clear Super Mega's name still moves crowds, whether from beyond or through those who try to keep his energy alive.